crazy. You know you peep that lady. Yeah. And when I turn and looked at you, you tried to play it off, but I could tell that you still were free. Yeah. You was just too nervous. She was a night, she was hurt like a memory and surface. And I got a bit got wondering myself, and you really know that. Oh, now you know each other so well.
Hey y'all, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day here in my Mississippi life. Today's video is sponsored by I want to say it's Babalabags. I will have the name on the screen. I also will have my discount code. Let me show y'all what I got. And I used it today, and I got a lot of compliments on this bag today. This is my first time using it, and I've been having this for, I want to say almost 2 weeks, but y'all know my life been lifing with everything with my dad, being put on hospice, and I have 2 daughters that's getting married, one getting married in July, and one next year. So I'm helping planning weddings and transitionings and so much other stuff that I just got on my plate. So I hope that they can forgive me, and I hope y'all can too. Now, this is the LV Loop monogram bag, and she is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Y'all know I told y'all I am not a huge bag girl, but this is definitely gonna be one y'all gonna see me with because it's so lightweight, it's easy to carry, easy to use. You just grab it, go about your business. It's not heavy. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. And I had both straps on today because I did wear her as a crossbody. And if y'all seen my vlog today and seen my video that is going to be posted, you'll see that I chose to carry her as a crossbody. Now the straps on here are adjustable, so you can have them if you need to loosen them up. If you want to have them tightened, you can have her tightened. But my choice today was just to have her, and I'm not going to tighten it because I'm going to put it back, but I just chose to have her as a crossbody. But you don't have to. Like I said, you can just buckle, and all you do is buckle it in. But yeah, I had it open. I wore it like this. Because I don't know. I'm not going to say I have a problem with shoulder bags because I don't. But I just know me, I'm not a huge person. I'm not a huge purse person. So if I am carrying a bag, either I have to just carry her like this in my hand, or, you know, yeah, I'm going to put her around me like this. I really don't like much on my shoulders because I'm already busty. And y'all ladies that know, when you busty and you trying to have a strap on your shoulder and it's weighing you down, it's too much. So putting her across or just carrying her just like this is enough for me. Inside of your box, she came nicely wrapped too. You get all of your little cards and information you need. You get your blue little ribbon, and you get your LV dust bag. Loved it. It was, like I said, when I tell y'all it was nicely packaged. And then you get 2 different straps. Your regular what would it be? The fabric strap will come in this one, and then the chain strap was in this plastic one, and they came inside of the little LV pouch. And I think that was a nice touch because normally when I get extra bags, it's just, you know, in a little regular little long paper. And then the bag itself came in here, and when I tell y'all this was tucked and wrapped so good, it was tucked and wrapped good. You didn't have to worry about anything happening to your bag. So the deets on here, you have your LV logo that's on the hardware. You go, and it's all gold hardware. And you zip her up. I did not put a purse or nothing in here. I just kind of threw what I needed on the inside of my bag. And it gave me a good bit of space to have hand sanitizer, 2 lip glosses, some candy, my change. And then I also had my debit cards in here as well. So that did me right. Just what I needed. Oh, and also I had my charger, but I already took my charger out because I had it in my car. And then you get your back little zipper part right here. It also have your LV logo. And the entire bag is monogrammed and cute. And like I said, I got a whole lot of compliments on this bag. And of course, I told them where I got it from. And of course, I gave them my discount code so they can go and get it. So pretty. And I know y'all been seeing these because a lot of ladies that I follow, especially my sister Sharice, I seen when she did her review and I was like, man, I can't wait till I tote my bag. Because I didn't want to review it and I wasn't going to just actually tote it because I wanted to show y'all what I was going to put in it. And yeah, like I said, I like the chain too. I would probably do the chain if it's more, if I'm going to brunch or doing a date or something. But like I said, I just had it on today just for purposes. I knew I was going to come home and do a video. But if I'm just going to be hanging out like today, I was just with my girls and my youngest son. So I know we wasn't going to do like a brunch and it was going to be a more casual day out. I'm casually dressed, so I did the crossbody. But I just wanted it on here just for the extra touch. But I had it just like towards the back. And then I had this part on me. So you can use either part. If you want this to be your front, let this be your front, of course. If you want this to be your front, let this be your front. But this is how I carry mine. And that's just my choice. Now, if I was to have like my cards or something in here, I wouldn't have this to the front. I would have it flipped over. So that way, you know, that part is touching me. And I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, trying to have to nobody. And you can also, whatever you use to protect yourself, ladies, is going to fit in here. Trust me. That's all I'm going to say. Trust me. It'll fit in here, okay? It'll fit nicely. It'll tuck nicely in here. And you can easily get to it and access it if you need to, okay? So, let me know what y'all think about this cute little bag. I love it. Y'all definitely going to see me with it. And like I said, I just love the hardware that's on it, especially this. I'm a sucker for detail. I never did used to be, but now I am. I am definitely a huge detail person. And it's crafted really well. It really is. I like it. And y'all know, if it's a bag that I really don't too much care for, I'll tell y'all, I'm going to give this to my daughters. Or I really don't like the style. But this is something that they're not getting. They're not getting this one. This is going to be one of my favorites that I'm going to have all summer long. Because it's just easy. I know I'm going to be taking my son different places. So it'll be easier for me to tote with him. Make sure y'all check out my vlogs. My daughter just did her wedding fitting. And that video will go up today as well. So you can working, hustling, and planning 2 weddings. Planning 2 weddings. So it's a lot right now. Your girl got a lot going on. But y'all make sure y'all check the videos out. My link will be in my description box below, along with all my other social medias. I'm on Instagram, I am on Facebook, and I am on TikTok. So I will see. Oh, and I'm on Snap. But you got to request me on Snap. Yeah, you got to request me over there because that page is a little bit more private and personal and stuff that I share on my Snap. It never makes it to Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, or TikTok because it's a personal channel. And my YouTube channel, it's a family channel. My Instagram, I have a personal one, and my business. So I'll see you guys later. Y'all be blessed. I love you all. Y'all have an amazing weekend. Love y'all. Bye, guys.